Hi everyone, I'm a technical trainer here in PYSpiders Rajajinagar. So one of our students from our institute got placed. So let him share about his experience, how he got placed, how was his journey over here. So yes.
Hi guys, I'm Karthik. So I joined PYSpiders in the month of February 2025 as an incubation student from Italy Institute of Technology. Python programming was handled by Keshav sir, and Govind sir handled front-end technologies completely, and Alex sir took Django back-end framework. So just time to time, and also the mock interviews and assessments which were all given helped me in getting placed and getting my knowledge up. The boot camps and assessments were given were really helpful in understanding topics in a better way and getting to the depth of the concepts.
How was the classes over here? The way of teaching.
The way of teaching was actually really good compared to the colleges. Like the staffs were really knowledgeable and used to deliver the concepts in a better way. So I learned a lot from here.
Congratulations, Karthik. Do well. All the best.
Thanks.